I forgive small mistakes easily every day. I am forgiving an old debt right now. I have just forgiven my brother for the argument. I have been forgiving his lateness for months. I forgave her the moment she apologized yesterday. I was forgiving the loan when the lawyer called. I had forgiven him long before he asked. I had been forgiving the same excuse for weeks before I spoke up. I will forgive the late fee this once tomorrow. I will be forgiving debts at the charity drive all day. I will have forgiven every grudge by the new year. By spring, I will have been forgiving these delays for a whole year.